Hello, my dear children. Now we will start our first chapter, Poonam's Day Out. Okay, this chapter is related to a girl, Poonam. Once upon a time, Poonam is sleeping and suddenly she noted down that something fell on her face. Okay, she touched her cheeks and she thought about who has threw something on her face. Okay, I am reading the chapter, then I will explain you thoroughly. Ma, please let me go to school today. I have been at home for the past 2 days. Poonam is saying to her mother, Mama, I want to go to school because since past 2 days it was holiday for me and I am getting very bored, said Poonam. Poonam is saying to her mother, Mama, I am getting very bored. I am very bored today because I want to go to school. Since past 2 days I am been in home. But you still have fever. Go outside and lie down on the coat, replied Ma. Poonam's mother said her daughter, Poonam, you have fever. Please lie down on the coat. If you want to go outside, go outside and lie down on the coat. Coat means a kind of bed. Okay. Her mother told her, Poonam, आपको fever है, तो you should take rest. Then Poonam fell asleep on the coat. Poonam फिर सो गई. Then suddenly something fell on her face. Suddenly what happened? Something fell on her face. कुछ गिरा उसके face पर. Poonam woke up at once and touched her cheek. Oh no! Whose mischief is this? Is it the crows or the pigeons? It seems it's the crow. Actually, babies, Poonam was sleeping under a tree. Okay, near the tree, you can say. Near the house, under a tree. Then she noted down that something fell on her face. She was just touching her face. Oh, what fell on my face? It seems to be very sticky kind of. So Poonam thought that it is the naughtiness of pigeon or crow. Okay. Then, as you can see, there is a picture in your book in which you can see so many animal, birds are on the tree, like crow. You can see squirrel, pigeon, monkey and butterfly. Okay, these are the birds and animals which are found on the tree. Okay. Yes. Now this is the second page of your chapter. Poonam looked up. She saw many animals on the tree. Which animals can you spot on the tree in the picture? Write down their names. Okay, baby? Children, this is your homework. If you have book, you can just write down all the names of the birds and the animals which Poonam seen on the tree. Okay? It is on the first page. There is a picture in which you can easily see the different animals and the birds who are on the tree. Okay, you have to write their names. If you don't have book, take your PC copy, practice copy and write down the answer in that copy. Okay, children. Now I am reading. Poonam picked up a leaf from the ground and wiped her cheek with it. But her cheek was still sticky. She thought, let me go and wash my face in the nearby pond. Okay, when Poonam felt very sticky kind of cheek, so she thought कि I just wipe it with a leaf. But फिर भी वो अच्छे से clean नहीं हुआ उसका cheek. Then she thought, okay, let me wash my face. Then for washing her face, she went to the nearby pond. Okay, and nearby pond she saw many animals. Some are under, some are on the ground, some are swimming in the water. You can see buffaloes. You can see a goat who is eating some grass. Okay, as you can see all the animals in this picture. The next question is that which animals did Poonam see at the pond? Look at the picture and write their names. Okay children, this is another question in the book. You have to fill it in the book. Answer. Write down answer with a pencil in the book. If you don't have book, write down in the practice notebook. Clear children? The question is, at the pond, what Poonam did see? Okay, you can see goat, turtle, buffalo, some frog, crane. Okay, Poonam is washing her face and she is surrounded by some animals, birds near the pond. You have to just write their names. Okay children, now I have turned the page, next page, third, page number 3. Can you act like the animals see at the pond? I know children, you can act like the animals. Some animals, you can make some voice also. Which animal makes what kind of sounds and movements? You know, different sounds of the animals, like cat sound meow. Okay, you can make some sounds. Try to make some sounds of the animals. Different animals move in different ways to go from one place to another. Some animals walk, some crawl, some fly, and some swim. For this, some animals use their feet. Some use their wings. Some animals even take the help of their tail. Okay, children? You know, some animals fly, some can crawl, some can walk, some can hop, some have wings. Okay, birds are also, we can say that under the category of animals, birds and animals both are included. Clear? Some can hop, some have wings, some have feet. Clear? You should know more about it by noting down your surrounding. Whenever you go out, you should just note down that what you have surrounding you. Okay, like whenever you go out, you can see dogs, how can they walk. You can see cats because they found easily. Okay, now this is your next question. You must have seen many animals too, right? Which of them? Have you seen some animals which can fly like some birds? As I earlier said, animal under the category of animal, birds also come. Okay, who can fly? Like pigeon, sparrow, crow, parrot. You know many names of the birds. You can write, fill it in your book. Okay, some can crawl. Who can crawl like snake? Okay, snake can crawl, snail can crawl. You have to write down the names. This is your homework. Who can walk like cow, buffalo? Who can hop like rabbit, frog? Okay, who have wings, big wings, like, yes, you know the names. Peacock have wings, yes. Who have feet? You have to write their names in your book. If you don't have the book, write down in the notebook. Yes, as you can see, one more question is there. Who have a tail? Most of the animals almost have tail. Big tail, small tail. Every animal have tail. Okay. You can write dog, elephant, cow. The names of different animals who have a tail. Okay. Animals live in different places. Some animals live in the trees, some in the water, some live on the land, some live under the ground, and some fly in the sky. Some animals even live in our houses. Okay, because those animals who live in our house with us are called pet animals. I know many of you have pet animals. Okay, you should take care of them. Don't tease them. Now I have turned its page, and this is a very interesting homework for you. Look at the picture given below. Color the animals that don't live in your house. I've just talked about pet animals, domestic animals. Those animals who can live with us in our house are called domestic or pet animals. In this picture, you have to color those animals which don't live in your house with you. I think elephant can't live. Okay? You have to color. And use your brain. You have to color those who don't live in your house with you. Okay, children? Now I have turned the page. We are on page number 5 of your book. Here are some incomplete picture of animals. Complete them and write their names. As you can see, there are pictures, 3 pictures. I think half. These are not drawn fully. Partially these are drawn. You have to draw these picture, these incomplete picture. You have to make them complete, okay, with your pencil, and write down their name. Okay, the next question is, who am I? It is a kind of game. It is a kind of riddle. You can ask, you can play with your brother, sister, or you can play with your parents. You can just ask riddles and they have to give answer. Find my name in the crossword and put a circle around it. One example has been given for you. Okay, first is, banana is what I love eating. I spend my time jumping and leaping. Okay, the first thing by listening this riddle is that who loves banana? Everybody knows which animal loves banana so much? Monkey. So the answer is monkey. You have to just circle it and color it. Okay, in your notebook you have to just write these riddles and the correct answer of the riddle. Okay, I will send you the homework in a proper way through your WhatsApp group. Now, number 2 is, on the walls, webs I weave. Okay, on the walls, webs I weave, where insects stick and can't leave. Okay, walls पे webs कौन बनाता है? The first thing which come in the mind, spider. Okay, children, the answer is spider. The third one is, I remain awake the whole night and go to sleep in broad daylight. After listening this riddle, one thing will come in mind, that who wake up in the daylight and who wake up in the whole night and sleep in the daylight. मतलब दिन में कौन सोता है और रात में कौन जागता है. Which animal who always wake up in the night? Owl. The owl name is come in the mind because he always awake in the night and sleep in the broad daylight. In the morning, in the whole day he sleep, and in the night he awake. The answer is owl. The next is croak, croak, croak is my sound. In water or on the land I am found. Croak, croak, croak. Who make the sound croak, croak, croak? Yes, frog. Okay, the answer is frog. Because frog can live in the water as well as on the ground. The next one is I appear after rainfall, have no feet, so I crawl. I've just talked about the animals which can crawl. I spoke about the animal which can crawl, like snake and snail. Okay, the answer is snail because it appears after rainfall and it doesn't have feet, so it can crawl. The next is slow and steady is my pace. I always win when there is a race. Okay. Which animal you can see? Slow and steady is my pace. I always win when there is a race. I will listen the story of turtle and rabbit. Turtle is called the slow and steady animal. The answer is turtle because at the last he won the race. Now I have turned the page number 6. In this page, you can see a beautiful picture and it is a drawing colored with the fingers, magic with finger. This activity is called magic with finger. You have to do this activity at your home. Take the help of your parents and use colors with your fingers. You have to print it with the fingers. It is called fingerprinting. Okay, take a look at the picture. Can you distinguish the thumb prints from the other fingerprints? Okay, you have to use your thumbprints as well as your fingerprints, then fill the picture. This is also an activity for you. Whenever you get time, do it within 3-4 days and send it on the WhatsApp group. I will give you marks for this. Okay. In the same way, using ink or watercolors, make picture of animals. Make pictures using your own imagination. You can make other animal pictures also. Don't copy the ones shown above. Okay, you can just use the picture you have to make to decorate your school and your home. Whenever school will open, I will collect this project. Okay, you have to make this picture on A4 size sheet, or you have any drawing sheet. If you have any drawing sheet, or if you don't have, do it in your notebook itself. I will collect it whenever school will open. You have to do magic with your fingers. You can use watercolors, ink, and make this picture very beautiful, or you can use your imagination and you can draw other animals or birds of your choice. Okay, I have turned the page. Now let us have some fun. In your notebook, you have to draw a picture of an animal that you have seen. Okay, then make groups of 3 children each. Each group will take a white paper. In each group, one child will draw the face and the neck of an animal at the top of the paper and hide it by folding this part. The second child will draw the body of the other animal in the center of the paper and hide it by folding the paper. The third child will draw the feet of yet another animal. Now unfold the paper and look at the picture. Does, if not, look like a funny animal? You can just try this activity at your home, and whenever school will open, we will also do it again. Okay, children? Now I have turned the page. Basically, children, this chapter is related to your surroundings, whatever you have seen around you. Whenever you go out, you have to just notice what you have seen around you, which kind of animals are moving here and there, which birds are flying, which kind of trees are there. Okay, this chapter is related to just what Poonam have seen around her when he goes out, when she goes out, when she noticed what kind of animals are on the tree. Okay, so this is also a work for you. Spend some time under a tree, observe the animal carefully and name the animals which can be seen on the branches, on the leaves, on the trunk, on the ground, around a tree. Okay, you have to just write down after spending some time under a tree. Now whenever you go out, you have to notice down. But nowadays, going out is very dangerous. Okay, children, don't go out for completing these kind of work. We will do it whenever school will open. Then we will do these kind of activity. This is the time we should stay safe at home. So we should not go out. Okay? These kind of question we will do later on. Okay, children?